Hey foodies, wagwan, welcome to the channel. Let's make homemade mac and cheese. These are the ingredients that you're gonna need to make it yourself. We have some mozzarella cheese, some cream, heavy cream. We have some diced onion, garlic powder, salt, and we also have some chicken seasoning. Now let's get straight into the preparation. So the first thing you wanna do, you wanna start off by boiling your pasta in some salted water. Make sure the water is already boiling. Then we're gonna be adding in about 4 to 5 cups of macaroni pasta. We're gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes or until they become al dente. You wanna make sure that you're stirring the pasta, not constantly but periodically, so that they don't clump together. So once that is done, we're gonna strain the water off and set that aside. Now let's get into making the sauce. So you wanna start off by melting your butter, adding in some flour to create the roux. We're gonna whisk this until it becomes creamy. Then we're going to be adding in our heavy cream, and we're going to let this cook until it becomes nice and creamy, ensuring that all of the roux is incorporated into the mixture. Then we're going to be adding in our seasoning, our cream cheese as well, salt, the black pepper, and all of the seasoning. And we want it to have a nice thick consistency. Now we're going to combine all the ingredients together. So now we transfer the pasta to a mixing bowl. We're going to be adding in the cheese sauce, and we're also going to be adding in some mozzarella cheese as well, so that it's nice and creamy. Make sure that everything is combined. Here you can also add other ingredients, maybe veggies if you like. I don't like veggies in my mac and cheese, but I'm going to go ahead now and add the cream sauce. I'm going to stir this until it's fully combined. While you're doing this, make sure that the oven is already hot. We preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're adding in some more cheese because you know how it go already. The more cheesier it is, better it is. We have a aluminum pan now, so we're transferring this mixture to the aluminum pan. We're going to bake it until it's nice and golden brown on the inside, and it's very easy to make. You really don't have to be a chef to make this. Just follow the steps. Remember to like, guys. Remember to share and subscribe before we add this into the oven. So we add on some more cheese. We bake it for about 20 minutes or until it becomes golden brown. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'll be enjoying this.